Hey guys, click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to get all the new updates from my site. Be creative and sparkle, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel because it's completely free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pearl embellishment denim is definitely a thing these days and they look super stylish. You can find it in almost every brand, but yes, you have to spend a couple of thousand to buy this statement piece. So I thought of DIYing it. So if you really want to see how you can make it at home and get this chic look, please keep on watching. For making this, you would need a pair of jeans, of course. I'm using an old one which I don't wear it anymore, so I thought of refashion it. Start with laying the jeans out flat and chop the ends of it. Now this step is actually optional. I wanted to give a frayed look, so that's why I'm doing it, but if you don't want a frayed look, you can actually skip it. Now I'm making small cuts at the end because it's easy for me to pull out the threads. However, I don't want my jeans to be a lot frayed look, so I'm making very small cuts. Once you're done with the cuts, start pulling out the threads. Now it might take a while, so take your time until you get your kind of look.
I saw the guy that she was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
Now this is what it would look like once it is completed. Now it's time to convert these jeans into a statement piece or a designer piece. Take some pearls and start attaching it to the denim with the help of thread and needle. I'm taking different sizes of pearls here and attaching it randomly. This is completely up to you what sort of pattern you want to make. You can go for a sequential one as well. It actually looks very nice. I have done in one of the denim and it looks very nice. I think this is the best about DIY. You can do things your own way and as per your own style, so that's why I just love to do DIY.
I saw her standing in the street alone.
Once it is completed, this is what it would look like. I'm so glad how it turned out to be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I shall see you later in my next one. Till then, you guys stay happy, be creative. Bye bye.